Wow, behind the scenes. We're gonna watch how you do this, okay?
All right.
This mac and cheese has got to be a Pigeon Forge hidden highlight.
Happy Pie Day.
There's a pizza place in Pigeon Forge you may not have heard of.
It's called Squisito 2.
So we're gonna go check it out. Get ready to go on this pizza adventure that rocks. So just to give you a quick idea on where it is, K Jewelers is there. And Pandora is there. And there goes Sandy, not waiting for me, going right on in. So the menu, they actually have it outside if you haven't pulled it up on your phone yet to take a look at it, like us.
Grandma pizza.
And they have
Pizza.
and salads and subs and pastas.
Yeah, look at this menu.
I can't wait to go inside. You can even create your own.
Ta-da! Oh, even with the mask on, you can smell the pizza. Oh, like they even have menus too. Oh, look at how long and pretty the menus are.
Sandy, look, it says be your own chef. Are they gonna give me one of those white pizza hats and I'm gonna throw the dough in the air?
Oh, they're in trouble if you're gonna throw dough in the air.
Get saucy with it, Sandy.
So this replaces the whole spinning in the air thing?
Yeah. Yeah, it kind of heats it and evens it out all the way through.
The pizza menu is extensive, so if you just can't decide,
You can do half. And they also have slices. They're just not on the menu. So be sure to ask if you just want a slice of pizza.
or if you want to split it up like we're about to do.
Yeah, half and half. So it's not a sit down and order from a menu. Rocket's about to make his order, and then we get to done.
Half the Squisito,
Okay.
half the grandma pizza,
Okay.
and 3 of the garlic nuts. Does that come with sauce?
It does. It comes with a marinara sauce.
Awesome. Okay, so they gave us a sample of the different marinaras. One's a spicy, one's a regular, and their Alfredo sauce.
That's an Alfredo sauce. I'm guessing that's going to be spicy and that's going to be marinara.
So which one's Sandy trying?
Ooh, I am going to try the Alfredo sauce. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, look how inside
Wow.
there's the butters in there. I just ate a full handful of garlic. So let's try Alfredo first. Oh my goodness. You could tell that they've made this fresh.
Alright, it's Rock's turn to try the different sauces.
All right, and look at the garlic knots. I mean, it's awesome. And a fan of Alfredo sauce. Oh yeah. You can give me this and this. Uh-oh. You can give me this and this. I'll be happy. And I told him you like spicy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that right there has got a kick. Yeah, this is good.
The spicy marinara. That's Sandy's pick right here.
So since we're doing half and half, my grandma is technically a red sauce pizza,
Okay.
but the sauce for the grandma actually goes on top.
Oh, okay. So we're getting real creative here.
Oh, yeah.
And just so you know, we ordered the half of the Squisito and half of the grandma. And as, what's your name?
Michelle.
Michelle again. Yes, Michelle says that the grandma pizza has the sauce on the top.
It's very interesting, that's for sure.
Ooh, and lots of garlic.
And I like how you can see that they are doing all the fresh ingredients on top of that pizza.
Look at that. What is your favorite pizza here, Michelle?
I like to create my own. I like to do pepperoni and black olives, onions, and peppers.
All right.
Yeah.
So let us know what your favorite pizza is in the comments below.
So first we're going with the Squisito, but I want you to
Look at that. So if they make their own, they just stand there and just tell you
Yeah.
however many ingredients they want to load it up with.
Absolutely.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You can get a different pizza every day if you wanted to.
And did you see all the different topping options? That's incredible. Here we go.
All right, this is the Squisito. Sausage, pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, peppers.
Oh yeah.
Mmm.
I like the crust size too. It's not too thick. It's actually a thin crust.
And you can taste how fresh it is.
Yeah.
It's really good. Mmm. Now I gotta check out that grandma pizza.
And then with the grandmas, we just kind of pop some sauce right on the top. Yeah. And then it gets some fresh basil as well. And then it goes in the pizza oven for 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
So 2 minutes and 40 seconds, that's all it takes.
That's it.
Wow.
Yeah.
I can see your pan is already empty. Was that all by you or the whole family?
The whole family had 3 pans.
3 pans?
Yeah, 3 pans.
Yeah.
And what type of pizzas did you get?
Meatloaf,
Garlic knots, cheese, and mushroom.
cheese
As
mushroom.
you can see, Sandy's back there watching them cut up our pizza into slices.
So now we're going for the other half of the pizza, which is the grandma's pizza.
Right.
Yeah, and they explained, go ahead and take a bite, and they explained how this comes from a Sicilian recipe of, how do you like it?
I'm loving this.
Yeah, yeah, and the sauce is on top, so they layer it, they don't put sauce on the bottom of the pizza like you saw in the video, but they put the sauce on top of it, so it's like a white pizza with
Guys,
sauce.
you got the burst of the fresh garlic that they put on throughout every bite of this pizza. There's a winner right here for me.
Yum.
And they have so much more than pizzas. They've got all kinds of pastas to choose from.
Sauces in-house. So like
Right
the
here.
Yeah, right here. The Alfredo takes us 2 hours to make. The marinara is completely homemade, like all of it.
Excellent. So every day it's fresh. Like you come in the morning, you make it fresh, and serve it fresh.
Yep.
Love it.
Yep.
All right.
Just to give you one of the ideas of what the pasta dishes look like when it comes out. That looks amazing.
There's a baked ziti.
Wow. You're craving a salad? You can create your own of that too. Just pick and choose, tell them whatever, how much you want on it, and they can hook you up. And what I like about this is how fresh all the ingredients are.
Yeah.
For your salad, your pasta, your pizza.
And I'm seeing a lot of cheese. I love cheese.
All right, so we just got brought out this incredible bowl of mac and cheese, which is their best seller, and Rock is going to dig in.
Oh yeah, and she said you can.
Oh my god.
You can get barbecue chicken in this also if you wanted, but look at the cheese coming off
Oh, I am drooling over here.
this. I better eat fast because Sandy already, I can tell, is eyeing this.
Yeah, and they were cooking up the noodles.
Oh, you can tell why this is a bestseller for them. Guys, you gotta come out and check out this mac and cheese.
Oh, I am so ready to try this mac and cheese.
I know you've been waiting.
Oh, yeah. And I'm like, the first thing, look at all this cheese. Like, this is a cheese lover's paradise. Look at this. Wow. Extremely fresh.
Sandy's not kidding when she says paradise. That's paradise on a fork right there.
I can just eat the cheese. I mean,
pasta's cooked
Uh-huh.
perfectly. A lot of places they cook it al dente, which is the normal way, but I love it like really cooked.
Yeah.
And this is like really good cooked pasta.
We aren't even halfway through this bowl. I'm telling you guys, this mac and cheese has got to be a Pigeon Forge hidden highlight. And there's enough here for definitely 2 people. And I love that this place understands you may not be able to come and sit in here and eat like we're doing right now. So if you want it delivered right to your hotel while you're staying in the area, they do deliver with DoorDash. So we just wanted to point that out and get that piping hot, fresh pizza or mac and cheese or baked ziti right to your room.
So rock. The pizza, the macaroni and the cheese.
And we're not done yet,
And we're not
Sandy.
done yet.
We're not done yet.
Yes, look at this.
They have cannoli.
cannoli.
They've got huge chocolate chip cookies. I mean, great ways to finish off your meal out here. I mean, look at this, Sandy.
Yeah, that looks so good. And I love me some cannoli.
And they don't have forks for these. You know what we do here, guys.
Save some for me.
I see chocolate chips in here, I think. Yum, yum. Ready? There's chocolate chips in here. You got all those cannolis.
It's definitely a sweet ending after your pizza and pasta here. And for those watching your carbs, they even have a cauliflower crust pizza that they can make. How cool is that? And another thing we noticed, if you look around at certain tables, you can bring in your phone cord and charge your phone at the same time. In town, this is a place definitely to come.
Located in Sevierville, Tangier Outlets. This place right here.
And we're gonna put that address in the description down below.
Yeah, it's like you can see the Ripley's, what is it? The Super Fun Zone Arcade.
In the old McDonald farm.
The old McDonald farm right there.
It's right across from that.
So go play putt-putt. Come on over, have some amazing pizza, pasta, cannoli. And you won't be disappointed.
We want to thank everyone here at Squeezito too for having us out.
And being our own chef.
Absolutely.
So much fun.
Yeah, can't say enough about this place, guys. You definitely want to come and check it out. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button because you really never know where we're going to end up next. Be sure to make each and every day, including those with pizza pies, an adventure that rocks.